If AI keeps making you sound like everyone else, and you're tired of rewriting robotic drafts, this will help. Exactly how it works, and the 3 exclusive bonuses I'm giving you through my link that turn it into a plug-and-play publishing system. The link is below this video. And when you grab the Authenticity Engine through my affiliate link, your bonus stack will be waiting for you right in your Warrior Plus download page. No emailing, no extra steps. Very quickly, here's what you'll get from me when you buy through my link. Bonus number 1. Authentic Content Publishing Checklist. A quick pre-published checklist that keeps every email, post, or script sounding like the real you. Bonus number 2. Authentic Monetization Prompt Vault. Strategic AI prompts that turn your authentic stories into sales-focused emails and posts without losing your voice. Bonus number 3. The 7-Day Authentic Authority Launch Plan. A simple, step-by-step plan to build authority, show up consistently, and softly invite people into your offers. I'll walk you through those in more detail in a minute. But first, let's look at the Authenticity Engine itself, so you know why this is worth your time. Most marketers don't fail because they have nothing to say. They fail because their content doesn't sound like them. Templates flatten your voice. Raw AI guesses your style. The result is bland copy, low clicks, and you second-guessing every send. The Authenticity Engine is designed to fix that by learning your voice and producing copy that reads like you wrote it, just faster. So what is it? The Authenticity Engine is a custom GPT for marketers. You give it a few writing samples you're proud of, or you fill out a quick brand voice starter sheet. It studies your tone, your pacing, your phrasing, and your favorite turns of phrase. Then you can ask it for emails, posts, captions, or short scripts, and it delivers in your voice, not in AI voice. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Train. Drop in 2 to 5 samples or complete the starter sheet. This takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Step 2. Generate. Ask for what you need. Subject lines, a nurture email, a social post, even a short video script. You'll get an on-voice draft in seconds. Step 3. Refine. Treat it like a junior copywriter. Give it 1 or 2 coaching notes, shorter sentences, tighter calls to action, a friendlier mentor tone, and it adapts instantly. Here's what you get on the front end. You get access to the engine, the brand voice starter sheet, a pick your marketing style guide, and helpful bonuses like a quick start and a prompt vault. It's very low ticket and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it without risk. Try it, generate a few pieces of content, and if it doesn't feel like you're finally publishing content that sounds like you, use the guarantee. Who is this for? If you're a beginner, a busy creator, or a marketer who wants consistent personal-sounding content without spending hours writing, this is for you. If you already love writing from scratch or you expect a magic button with 0 calibration, it's probably not for you. Give it 10 to 15 minutes up front and it will pay you back every week. Let me run through pros and considerations. Pros. The output actually sounds like you, the learning curve is short, and it works across emails, posts, and short scripts. Considerations. You still need to provide a few quality samples, and it gets even better when you give it quick coaching notes. Think copy chief, not set and forget. Now, tools don't create results, systems do. That's why I put together 3 exclusive bonuses you'll only get when you pick up the Authenticity Engine through my link, and they're all delivered automatically on your Warrior Plus download page. Let me break them down for you. Bonus number 1, Authentic Content Publishing Checklist. This is a quick, pre-published checklist you can run through in under a minute before you hit send or post. It helps you check if the copy actually sounds like you, not a stiff AI bot. Make sure there's a clear main point your reader can grasp in seconds. Confirm there's a clean call to action and an easy way to repurpose that content. You drop your engine-generated email or post next to this checklist, tick through the points, and you'll feel way more confident hitting publish without rewriting from scratch. Bonus number 2, Authentic Monetization Prompt Vault. This is where your content starts turning into consistent sales. Inside the prompt vault, you'll get strategic prompts you can paste straight into the Authenticity Engine for story to offer bridges that feel natural, not awkward or pushy. Objection-melting emails that stay warm and human. Soft permission-based CTAs, re-engagement messages, and deadline nudges. Teach plus invite content that delivers real value, and then smoothly points to your offer. Instead of staring at a blank screen thinking, what do I even say? You just pick a prompt from the vault, plug it into the engine, and let it create on-voice, sales-ready drafts for you. Bonus number 3, the 7-day Authentic Authority launch plan. This one ties everything together into a simple weekly system. Over 7 days, you'll clarify who you help and what you stand for. Tune up your profiles so they instantly show authority. Share stories and proof that build trust. Create and publish content using the Authenticity engine. Finish with a soft, low-pressure invite into your main offer. You can use this as a 7-day visibility sprint, a pre-launch warm-up, or a reactivation plan anytime your audience goes quiet. It gives you a structure so you're never wondering, what should I post today? You just follow the plan and let the engine do the heavy lifting. And again, when you buy through my link, all 3 of these bonuses are unlocked for you right on the Warrior Plus download page. No extra hoops. Quick recap of how to use everything together. 1. Train the engine with your best samples or the brand voice starter sheet, about 10 minutes. When you're ready to publish, run your drafts through the Authentic Content Publishing checklist so they still sound like you. Use the Authentic Monetization. Prompt Vault to create story-driven emails and posts that actually lead to clicks and sales. Follow the 7-day Authentic Authority launch plan to stay consistent, build authority, and keep traffic flowing toward your offers. If you want some guardrails for success, keep these 3 in mind. Stick to plain English, cut the jargon and hype. In every piece of content, include at least one concrete detail, a number, time frame, tool, or quick example. End with one clear next step, and if you're unsure, ask the engine. Sound like my sample, shorter sentences, clearer CTA. The price on the front end is intentionally low, and again, there's a 30-day refund policy. That means you can train it, use my bonuses to publish a full week of content, and judge it based on real results, not guesses. If you're ready to try this, here's what to do next. 1. Click the link below this video to grab the Authenticity engine through my affiliate link. After your purchase, go to your Warrior Plus download page. You'll see a special section or button with my Authenticity engine bonus stack, the checklist, the monetization prompt vault, and the 7-day launch plan. Click, download, and you're set. If you want AI to sound like you, not like everyone else, the Authenticity engine is a practical path. Pair it with my bonus stack, and you'll go from blank page to scheduled content without losing your voice. The link is below. Grab your copy, unlock your bonuses on the Warrior Plus download page, and I'll see you inside. Affiliate disclosure. The link in the description is an affiliate link. Examples are for illustration only and results vary.